Hi, my name is Sean Fournier, product specialist for lead screws at igus, and today we're going to be talking about lead screws in packaging equipment. Over the years, igus lead screws have become an industry favorite for packaging equipment. We are most commonly found in changeover and format adjustment machines and things like case packers, thermoform machines, and cartoners. Overall, igus brings to the table a number of unique advantages that have enabled it to become a packaging industry staple. First, igus screws are dry running and self-lubricating. Zero grease and lubrication allows for a system that is completely maintenance-free, so no more costly downtime to re-lubricate screws. Having a dry running system is also excellent for dirty environments. Grease, while already costly and time-consuming, also acts as an adhesive for food and dust, causing system failures and downtime. This, paired with our FDA-approved polymers, makes us perfect for food packaging applications. And finally, our patented dryspin thread geometry levels up industry standard screws and allows for significant reductions in noise, allows for longer service life, and with leads as large as 100 millimeters per rotation, format adjustments can be done faster than ever. And for the applications that want the benefits of dry running igus polymers but don't necessarily need the tech up of dryspin thread geometry, we are currently expanding our domestic manufacturing capacity and doubling our catalog of Acme lead screws, allowing for competitive pricing and availability of the most common lead screw in the packaging industry today. To calculate accurate service life estimates, customize end machining, or to learn anything else about our lead screw offerings, click the link below.